Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Welcome to ReneEnergy's channel, the go-to space for exploring the intricacies of modern energy solutions. If you've got a thirst for understanding how cutting-edge technology is shaping our energy landscape, you're in the right place. Today, we're setting the stage for a fascinating journey through the world of General Electric's hydrogen-powered gas turbines. You might ask, why focus on GE? Well, GE is a pioneer in the field, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with gas turbines. And their hydrogen-powered models? They are the epitome of innovation and efficiency. So why hydrogen? Hydrogen is not just another fuel, it's the fuel of the future. It's abundant, clean, and holds the promise to revolutionize the way we think about energy production and consumption. Hydrogen allows for high efficiency and low emissions, aligning perfectly with the global shift towards sustainable energy. Stick around as we dive deep into the mechanics, safety protocols, and economic impacts of these marvels of engineering. We'll break down complex topics into easily digestible insights, and you won't want to miss what we have in store. So, buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating ride through the future of energy production, right here on ReneEnergy. Stay tuned. Hydrogen as a fuel source. Let's start with the basics of hydrogen energy. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, and it has the potential to provide a clean, renewable source of energy. It can be produced from a variety of sources like water, fossil fuels, and even biomass. The good news is that when it's used in a fuel cell, it produces only water and heat as byproducts, making it incredibly clean. Now, what are the advantages? Firstly, it's abundant and can be domestically produced, reducing dependence on foreign energy. Secondly, it's versatile with applications ranging from powering vehicles to generating electricity. And most importantly, it emits zero greenhouse gases when burned, which is a massive win for the environment. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows, there are disadvantages too. Production costs can be high, and storage and transportation pose challenges due to hydrogen's low energy density. Safety is another concern, as hydrogen is flammable and requires careful handling. So how does hydrogen stack up against other fuels? In terms of cleanliness, it's leagues ahead of fossil fuels. Compared to other renewables like solar or wind, it offers the advantage of being a portable and storable form of energy, although current methods of production and storage are areas still ripe for innovation. In summary, hydrogen holds an incredible promise as a clean, versatile, and abundant fuel source, but there are challenges that need overcoming. Stay tuned as we explore how companies like General Electric are leveraging the power of hydrogen to bring us closer to a sustainable future. GE's gas turbines overview. Today we're zooming in on a household name in the energy sector, General Electric, or GE as it's commonly known. We'll talk about why they're a big deal, the range of gas turbines they offer, and what sets them apart in this highly competitive market. So, why GE? When it comes to innovation and reliability in the energy sector, few companies can match GE's legacy. With over a century of experience, GE has been at the forefront of turbine technology, continually pushing the envelope on efficiency, sustainability, and operational excellence. Now, let's talk about the range of gas turbines GE offers. Whether it's their heavy-duty turbines like the 9H models we discussed in a previous episode, or their aeroderivative turbines like the LM series, GE provides a broad spectrum of options. They cater to different power needs, from utility-scale power plants to industrial applications. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, they offer tailored solutions based on your specific requirements. And what sets these turbines apart? Firstly, GE's turbines are designed with fuel flexibility in mind, capable of running on natural gas, hydrogen blends, and even biofuels. Secondly, their turbines are engineered for high efficiency, often breaking industry records. For instance, their 9H turbines boast efficiencies above 60% in combined cycle operations, which is truly remarkable. Finally, GE offers comprehensive support services, from installation to maintenance, ensuring that your investment is well protected. In summary, GE's rich history, extensive range, and focus on innovation make them a leader in the gas turbine industry. Their commitment to evolving and adapting to market needs signifies that they are not just a part of history but also a part of our energy future. In-depth analysis of GE 9H turbines. Let's take a deep dive into one of GE's most remarkable creations, the 9Ha gas turbines, particularly the 9Ha.01 and the 9Ha.02 models. Let's kick things off with a side-by-side comparison between the 9Ha.01 and the 9Ha.02. When it comes to power output, the 9Ha.02 takes the cake with a net output of 571 megawatts, compared to the 9Ha.01's 448 megawatts. That extra boost can make a world of difference in large-scale energy projects. Now, on to efficiency. Both models are highly efficient, but the 9Ha.02 edges out the 9Ha.01, boasting a net efficiency of 44.0% compared to 42.9%. While this might seem like a small difference, in the world of power generation, every fraction of a percentage counts. Safety is paramount, especially when dealing with hydrogen fuel blends. Both these models come with advanced safety features to manage hydrogen's flammability risks. The turbine enclosures and ventilation systems are designed to keep hydrogen concentration levels within safe limits. Moreover, specialized detection systems are in place to promptly identify any hydrogen or flame-related hazards. To sum it up, the 9Ha.02 generally provides higher efficiency and power output, but it could come at a premium cost and might require a larger infrastructure. On the other hand, the 9Ha.01 could be the go-to choice for projects with less demanding power needs or budget constraints. That's a wrap on our in-depth analysis of GE's 9Ha gas turbines. Whether you're in the industry or just curious about where the future of energy is headed, we hope this episode broadens your understanding. Operational aspects. Diving deeper into the operational nitty-gritty of GE's 9Ha gas turbines, namely the startup time, ramp rate, and heat rate. These metrics are often overlooked but are vital to the performance and efficiency of any gas turbine system. Let's begin with startup time. Both the 9Ha.01 and 9Ha.02 models boast a swift startup time of just 23 minutes under hot conditions. This rapid startup time provides a high level of operational flexibility, enabling the turbines to quickly respond to changes in grid demand. Moving on to ramp rate, the speed at which these turbines can adjust their power output is another standout feature. The 9Ha.01 has a ramp rate of 65 megawatts per minute, whereas the 9Ha.02 speeds ahead with a ramp rate of 88 megawatts per minute. This is particularly crucial in today's energy landscape, where the integration of variable renewable energy sources requires flexible and fast-responding power generation assets. Lastly, let's touch on heat rate. The heat rate is essentially a measure of efficiency, indicating how well the turbine converts fuel into electricity. Lower numbers are better here, and once again, the 9Ha.02 edges out the 9Ha.01 with a heat rate of 7,740 BTUs per kilowatt-hour compared to 7,960 BTUs per kilowatt-hour for the 9Ha.01. These numbers translate to unparalleled efficiency, especially when viewed in the context of the broader industry. In summary, the operational aspects of GE's 9Ha turbines are fine-tuned for modern energy challenges. Quick startup times allow for agility, high ramp rates accommodate the integration of renewables, and low heat rates translate to exceptional efficiency. Cost and investment. Navigating the financial landscape of investing in GE's 9Ha gas turbines. This is where the rubber meets the road for project developers and investors. We'll delve into financial analysis, ROI calculations, and even touch upon funding and grants. So, let's jump right in. First up is financial analysis. Investing in a gas turbine is no small feat, it's a significant financial commitment. Whether you opt for the 9Ha.01 or the 9Ha.02, you're looking at not only the upfront capital cost but also ongoing operational expenses. While the 9Ha.02 might offer higher efficiency and power output, it often comes with a higher price tag and possibly larger infrastructure requirements. So, it's crucial to conduct a thorough financial analysis that considers both initial investment and long-term operating costs. Now, let's talk about ROI, or return on investment. The ROI is calculated by taking the net profit of the investment, dividing it by the initial capital cost, and then multiplying by 100 to get a percentage. The higher efficiency and power output of the 9Ha.02 might offer a quicker ROI, depending on the price of electricity in your market and the project scale. So, crunch those numbers carefully to make an informed decision. Last but not least, let's discuss funding and grants. Various governmental and non-governmental organizations offer financial incentives for cleaner, more efficient energy projects. These can significantly offset the initial investment cost. Be sure to explore all your options, from federal grants to state-level subsidies and even private sector funding programs. To sum it all up, the financial considerations of investing in a 9-Ha turbine go beyond the sticker price. Detailed financial analysis, careful ROI calculation, and diligent search for funding and grants can significantly impact the project's financial feasibility. Market trends. First up, market trends. Hydrogen is rapidly gaining traction as a go-to alternative for sustainable energy. Analysts project that by the end of this decade, hydrogen could power up to 25% of the world's energy needs. This isn't surprising, given the urgent push for greener energy solutions. While initially hydrogen was seen as a complementary fuel source, it's swiftly moving towards becoming a primary choice, especially in industrial and heavy-duty transport sectors. The market is expected to grow exponentially, and investing in hydrogen technologies now could yield significant returns in the future. Technological advancements. Next, let's talk about technological advancements. Hydrogen storage, transport, and utilization are all areas that are witnessing tremendous innovations. Advanced electrolysis methods are making hydrogen production more efficient, and developments in cryogenic storage are addressing some of the most significant challenges of hydrogen handling. These advancements are not just theoretical, they're practical, scalable, and increasingly cost-effective. The future of hydrogen energy, particularly in powering turbines like GE's 9-Ha, looks promising due to these advancements. To wrap it up, let's summarize the key takeaways. Hydrogen's potential. This abundant element isn't just a supplement to traditional fuel sources, it's rapidly becoming a frontrunner in the sustainable energy race. GE's innovation. With their 9-Ha series, GE has proven that large-scale, hydrogen-fueled power generation is not only feasible but also incredibly efficient. Technological growth. Advances in hydrogen storage and transportation are propelling the energy sector into a future where clean energy isn't just an ideal but a reality. Expert consensus. The people shaping the energy industry are unanimous. Hydrogen is key to a sustainable energy future. Your role. By staying informed and advocating for cleaner, sustainable options like hydrogen, we can all be part of this incredible journey toward a greener planet. As we venture ahead, one thing is clear: hydrogen is no longer the fuel of the future, it's the fuel of today, shaping a cleaner, more sustainable tomorrow. So, stay tuned, stay educated, and let's move forward together in this exciting energy revolution. If you found this series enlightening, be sure to subscribe to ReneEnergy for more deep dives into the world of renewable and sustainable energy solutions. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, let's keep the energy flowing, sustainably. For more insights, check out ReneEnergy.com and follow us on social media. Every action counts in making our planet greener. So, click subscribe, get involved, and let's power a sustainable future together. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.